Do you know the difference between UI designer, UX designer, product designer, visual designer, interaction designer? If you are confused between these job roles, I will simplify everything in this video for you. So, what is UX design? UX stands for user experience. So, a UX designer focuses on how users interact with a product. Their main goal is to make experience more smoother, enjoyable and easy. Their responsibilities are conducting user research, creating wireframes and prototype, and improve usability. For example, if you are designing e-commerce app, so a UX designer ensures that user can find the product easily, add to cart and check out without any confusion. Now, UI designer. So UI stands for user interface. A UI designer focuses on the look and feel of the application or a product. He works on color theory, typography, layout design, buttons and overall aesthetic. The responsibility of a UI designer is designing layouts, typography, color schemes and creating a style guide for brand consistency. For example, think of an Instagram. A UI designer chooses the colors, button shapes and how the app will look visually. Okay, then what is UI UX designer? So many companies looking for a UI UX designer, which means handling both UI tasks and UX tasks. So the responsibility for UI UX designer is research plus designing elements. So the responsibility for UI UX designer is research plus designing element as well as testing prototypes and iterating based on feedback. For example, in a startups or a small companies, you might be responsible for both improving user experiences and creating UI design. Now, what is visual design? A visual design all about branding and high quality visuals. Their responsibility is to designing banner, graphics, and marketing material as well as UI. It's kind of mixture of UI designer and graphic designer. Sometimes they can create a motion graphics too. For example, think of Apple's website. It's a clean, minimal and visually stunning. So that's a work of visual designer. Next is interaction designer. So interaction designer focuses on animation of the overall applications, like how an element is moving or how element respond to the user's action. Their responsibility is designing micro animation, hover effect, button animation, also creating engaging motion effects. For example, have you ever noticed that button changes when you are hovering it? So it's a micro animation, and the best application example for a interaction design is CRED application. It have a lots of smooth transitions, micro animations, and the last is product designer. It's a kind similar of a UI UX designer, but with a bigger focuses on business strategies. So the responsibility for the product designer is same as UI UX designer. He is working on both UI and UX and considering business goals and user needs. For example, product designer at Netflix. He ensures that interface help user to discover more content and watch them effortlessly. So now, which role you should choose to apply? If you have a problem solving skill, then apply for UX designer. If you enjoy color and aesthetic, then go for UI designer. And if you want both, then apply for UI UX designer. If you like branding as well as UI design, then go for visual designer. And if you are into animation and interaction, then go for interaction designer. And if you want to design a full product and strategy, then apply for product designer. So hope this video helped you. Hit the like button and subscribe for more such a content like this.